What is up, Growmies? This is our week 1 update, our exclusive look at Organic Thrive. So the product is supposed to increase yield, plant vigor, all of that. It's a natural, organic extract of citrus trees. So before we endorse it here, we're going to see if it works. So stay tuned and keep it locked in.
He's popping the seeds and growing the greens, building that soil with the cleanest means. Sunshine, water, healthy plants from end to end. You're growing with Uncle Ben.
All right, Growmies, now let's spray our plant. So we're supposed to do this once a week per Roy's instructions. Good foliar spray all over the plant. Get in there. Make sure you get the stem as well. I was instructed to make sure this gets all over the plant. 2, when you're doing any sort of foliar spray, make sure you're doing it when the sun is not high in the sky and the temperatures aren't up, because the liquid on your plant will burn your plant up. So you make sure you want to do this early in the morning. Make sure I get this side real good. All right. Now, I plant with transplant shock here. I'm going to treat this. Here it is. Again, make sure you get the stem all in there, all the way around. Not bad. You also spraying Chewbacca sister here. So this spray is supposed to help vegetables as well. So he was saying that this will make the habaneros even hotter. So we've been treating those. See how that goes. So you get in there all the way. There it is. Now let's treat our habaneros. All right, now let's spray this habanero plant. Yeah, they turned orange already. This thing is full of habaneros. All right. I spray these ghost peppers. This plant, look down here. You got one on the leaf here. It's looking good, man. Look at that. Yeah, some already turning red. I need to go ahead and pluck. All right, let's get the spray going. I'll use good foliar spray all over. Again, you want to make sure you're doing this and when the morning is still cool before it gets hot out. Need to make some more solution, but hey, there you have it, folks. Now let's take a look at our seedlings. So this is our 2 pots with Organic Thrive. So we had one seedling pop. This one hasn't popped yet. So I mean, overall, it's looking pretty good. Looked like the first Cotyledon here was damaged a little bit, but the other leaf is still growing pretty strong. So what I'll do is I'll wait till the end of the day today. If these aren't popped, I'm gonna drop some seeds So these seeds haven't popped either. So I'll probably just drop another bean. All right, Growmies. That is our week 1 update. So stay tuned. Every week we'll give an update on how our plants are doing, how they're looking, and see if Organic Thrive is working or not. Make sure you follow, subscribe, stay tuned, keep it locked in, keep it growing.
He's popping the seeds and growing the greens, building that soil with the cleanest means. Sunshine, water, healthy plants from end to end. You're growing with Uncle Ben.